Good morning. Today I'm going to give you an overview of some digitized government documents you can use to assist patrons. The collections I'm going to highlight today are the Catalog of Federal Publications, Federal Digital System, or FedSys, Fraser, and a few federal agencies. Catalog of Publications is one of the major sources for digitized publications. Records date back to 1976. It's growing, so historical information is becoming more readily available. Catalog of Government Publications searches 5 databases: Congressional Serial Set, Congressional Publications, Historic Bookshelf, Internet Publications, and Serials. The Congressional Serial Set is made up of thousands of volumes now digitized and searchable. This is a source for House and Senate reports, House and Senate documents, Senate executive reports, treaty documents. This is an example of a bound serial set volume. Depository libraries contain rows and rows of these volumes. This is an example of a congressional publication. These are available from 1976 to the present. Catalog of Government Documents contain many Internet publications. Today, more and more materials are available online. Paper sources are not being printed by the GPO or the Government Printing Office, but agencies are making them available online. The next database I want to share is Federal Digital System, or FedSys. FedSys authenticates, preserves, and provides permanent public access to federal government documents. It covers all 3 branches of government. It covers a wide variety of documents such as the Code of Federal Regulations, the U.S. Code, public and private laws, as well as House and Senate documents. You can do basic or complex searching using drop-down menus. You can search with a specific date range or a specific collection. For example, I can search within the budget of the United States. I can use the drop-down menus and add the budget of the United States as a selected collection. Since I didn't specify a specific date range, on the left you see the document count and date ranges in the material available on the budget. Once you select a collection, you can browse by Congress in session or by committee. This would be a good starting point if you have a patron looking for information on a specific committee. Another great feature in FedSys is the tutorials that are available to help you search the database. From the left side of the main page, you can get to the tutorials. FedSys offers many tutorials to assist you in finding information. These tutorials are available to the public. They offer tutorials on basic searching, advanced searching, and how to work within your search results. The next resource I want to talk about is Fraser, or Federal Reserve Archival System for Economic Research. Fraser had digitized publications by the Federal Reserve System Bank as well as resources outside the Federal Reserve, such as economic data publications, statistics, and reports by various organizations. You can search for economic data within Fraser, such as annual budgets, banking reports, and annual statistics, as well as Federal Reserve history. Fraser has an educational section that is organized by various banking themes and then by grade level as well. I want to move into federal agencies. Federal agencies are special government agencies set up for a specific purpose. Many of these 125 agencies have digitized collections. Today I'm going to mention a few. The USDA has agricultural agency reports, regulation and other information pertinent to the agricultural industry. The USGS has digitized maps and images as well as an array of publications dealing with a wide variety of topics ranging from ecosystems to natural hazards. The FBI Uniform Crime Report has crime statistics by state and MSA. I want to take a moment and focus on one larger digitized collections. Homeland Security Digital Library is full of text digital database that is updated daily. It is a repository scanning and adding older documents. Homeland Security gathers information from federal, state, and local governments, international governments and institutions, nonprofit organizations, private sector, research centers, colleges, and universities. USDL has two collections, one accessible by the public and another that has restricted access available to current federal and state employees and military personnel. It's divided by policies, special collections, and research tools. In review, print out this brief tutorial so you can have the web addresses and can familiarize yourself with the digital government collections.